Today, we're diving deep into the world of outdoor gear as we look at the top 10 outdoor must-haves for 2024. Whether you're a seasoned backpacker or a weekend warrior just getting started, this list is something for everyone. Number 1. Solo Stove Campfire Gear Kit. Backpackers and campers who are searching for a portable and effective method to prepare their food will find the Solo Stove Campfire Gear Kit to be an excellent option to consider. A Solo Stove fire pit, a 2-pot set, a tripod, and a windscreen are all included in the purchase of this kit. Because of its double-wall design and one-of-a-kind airflow features, the stove itself is exceptional in terms of its construction and its ability to burn wood in an effective manner. The result of this is that you will be able to prepare your meals in a rapid and simple manner, even when the wind is blowing. Your cooking system will be simple to set up thanks to the tripod, and the pots that are supplied are a size that is suitable for feeding a group of 4 people. The Solo Stove Campfire Gear Kit is, all things considered, a well-designed and versatile cooking system that is ideal for campers and hikers who are searching for a method of cooking their food that is both convenient and effective. Nevertheless, before you go ahead and buy this kit, there are a few things that you need to bear in mind. To begin, the stove is intended to burn wood, which means that you will need to make sure that you have a quantity of firewood in your possession. Subsequently, the gear has the potential to be somewhat weighty, which means that it might not be the most suitable choice for ultralight travelers. However, if you are searching for a cooking system that is both long-lasting and effective, and that will make your camping trips more fun, then the Solo Stove Campfire Gear Kit is an excellent choice for you to consider. Number 2. TP-Link Kasa Smart Wi-Fi Outdoor Plug EP40A. It does not matter which smart home systems you choose because the dual-outlet Kasa Smart Wi-Fi Outdoor Plug EP40A from TP-Link is compatible with all of the major platforms presently available. Due to its wide compatibility and waterproof construction, it is an excellent option for incorporating intelligent features into your backyard appliances. However, we would have liked it to be able to monitor the amount of power that is consumed by each connected gadget. In addition to a discrete power button, each outlet is equipped with a corresponding LED that emits a solid green glow when it is turned on, displays nothing when it is turned off, and flashes orange and green when installation is being performed. A Bluetooth radio is what makes the process of setting up the device possible, while a 2.4 GHz Wi-Fi radio is what allows you to connect to your home network if you have one. In addition to the speech services offered by Alexa and Google Assistant, the EP40A is one of the few outdoor smart plugs that we have tested that is compatible with both Apple's HomeKit and Samsung's SmartThings systems. Number 3. The Taurus Coolify Cyber. The Coolify Cyber is a convenient neck air conditioner that is perfect for staying cool during hot camping trips. This portable device offers 3 different speed settings and 7 air outlets, allowing you to easily adjust the airflow and temperature to your liking. It is lightweight and versatile, making it convenient to use wherever you go. To stay cozy on chilly days, utilize the Taurus app to easily customize your comfort settings and increase the temperature. The cooling or heating process is regulated based on the ambient temperature through integrated temperature control. With a charging time of just 1 hour, the Coolify Cyber can keep you cool for up to 15.5 hours while car camping. Number 4. Garmin Instinct Solar GPS Watch. The Garmin Instinct Solar GPS Watch is an excellent option for individuals who love the outdoors and value a long-lasting, rugged design. This product is built to be durable and can handle tough conditions. With its solar charging capabilities, you can potentially go for weeks without needing to recharge, especially if you have regular exposure to sunlight. It offers a wide range of tracking features for activities such as hiking, cycling, and swimming. In addition, it provides essential smartwatch features such as notifications and sleep tracking. Nevertheless, the Instinct Solar places more importance on practicality rather than appearance. The monochrome display is straightforward and clear to read in all conditions, although it doesn't have the vibrant colors found in higher-end Garmin models. Additionally, it lacks certain advanced features, such as built-in music storage and preloaded maps. If you value a minimalist design and a wide range of smartwatch capabilities, the Instinct Solar may not be the most suitable choice. However, if you're looking for a durable and dependable GPS watch that performs exceptionally well in outdoor environments, the Instinct Solar is an excellent choice. Number 5. Thermarest Neo Air Micro Pump. The Thermarest Neo Air Micro Pump is a compact and efficient tool for easily inflating your Thermarest Neo Air sleeping pads. This product is incredibly lightweight, weighing only 2.3 ounces, and is compact enough to fit in the palm of your hand. It's a fantastic choice for backpacking or camping, as it eliminates the need for manual inflation of your sleeping pad after a tiring day on the trail. This compact pump is specially made for Thermarest Neo Air pads and is equipped with wing lock or twin lock valves. It securely connects to the valve and inflates the pad using 2 AAA batteries. Although it doesn't instantly inflate your pad to a super firm state, it efficiently gets the job done in just a few minutes, allowing you to focus on setting up your tent or preparing dinner. The Thermarest Neo Air Micro Pump is an excellent choice for backpackers and campers who value efficiency and swift camp setup thanks to its lightweight design and convenient features. Number 6. Gerber Stakeout. The Gerber Stakeout is a versatile tool created with campers and outdoor enthusiasts in mind. This compact tool is equipped with 11 different functions, making it perfect for handling a wide range of tasks at the campsite. The standout feature is the dedicated stake puller, which proves to be incredibly useful when dealing with difficult tent stakes. Additionally, it includes a practical knife blade, scissors, a saw for small branches, and a bottle opener for enjoying beverages. The Stakeout includes a convenient built-in carabiner, making it easy to clip onto your backpack or belt loop. Use the awl for repairs and the ferro rod and striker for starting fires. The Stakeout is a well-designed and lightweight multi-tool that focuses on tools that are particularly handy for campsite tasks. Number 7. BioLite Alpenglow 500. The BioLite Alpenglow 500 is not just a lantern, but also a camp mood setter. It offers a variety of lighting options, including bright white light for your campsite, warm tones for setting the mood, and even festive color modes. The light's intensity can be adjusted, and even a flickering candle effect can be created, making it highly versatile. This lantern is impressively powerful, boasting a high setting that reaches 500 lumens for excellent visibility. In addition, there is a built-in USB port that enables you to conveniently charge your phone, which is particularly useful for longer trips. The BioLite Alpenglow 500 is a great option if you're looking for a lantern that is both enjoyable and practical. It adds a pleasant atmosphere to your campsite and even has charging capabilities. However, individuals who prioritize weight or prefer a more straightforward control system may find it beneficial to explore alternative choices. Number 8. Suunto A10 Compass. The Suunto A10 Compass is designed to be straightforward and user-friendly, making it perfect for recreational hikers and outdoor enthusiasts. It's an excellent option for beginners or anyone looking for a dependable and budget-friendly compass for wilderness navigation. The Suunto A10 has a baseplate design that includes a declination scale and a luminous needle, making it easy to read even in low-light conditions. In addition, the baseplate of this product includes both inch and metric scales, making it easy to measure distances on topographical maps. The Suunto A10 is incredibly lightweight, coming in at just 1.06 ounces, or 30 grams. It's the perfect companion for your hikes or camping trips, offering convenience and ease of carrying. It conveniently fits in your pocket or can be attached to your backpack using the included lanyard. The Suunto A10 is designed to be durable and dependable, with a high-grade steel needle, jewel bearing, and a liquid-filled capsule. The Suunto A10 compass comes in 2 versions, the NH or Northern Hemisphere and the SH or Southern Hemisphere. Make sure to select the one that suits your needs. Number 9. Anker PowerCore Solar 20000. The Anker PowerCore Solar 20000 has an IP65 rating, which means it is designed to be dustproof and water resistant. This makes it a reliable choice for enduring different weather conditions. This power bank is capable of handling light rain showers and dusty trails. The Anker PowerCore Solar 20000 is designed with 2 USB output ports, allowing you to conveniently charge 2 devices at the same time. This feature is very convenient if you're traveling with someone or if you need to charge multiple devices, such as your phone and a camera. The Anker PowerCore Solar 20000 can be charged in 2 ways. The main method is through a USB-C cable, but it also has a convenient built-in solar panel for charging using solar power. This feature is perfect for off-the-grid adventures when you might not have access to a regular power outlet. It's worth mentioning that solar charging may take longer, making it less dependable for quickly fully charging the power bank. It is most effective for recharging the battery while you're outside during the day. Number 10. Goal Zero Nomad 10. The Goal Zero Nomad 10 is a solar panel that is perfect for backpackers and outdoor enthusiasts who want a convenient way to charge their devices while on the move. It is foldable and lightweight, making it easy to carry around. You can easily adjust the panel to get the best sunlight exposure, which helps maximize charging efficiency. The panel is designed to withstand rain, dust, and other outdoor elements, ensuring its durability. If you're looking for a straightforward solution to keep your smartphone charged during short adventures, the Nomad 10 is a solid choice. Additionally, it can function as a reliable backup power source during emergencies, offering reassurance during extended journeys. The Goal Zero Nomad 10 is designed to be compact and easy to use, making it an ideal solar panel for backpackers who value portability and a straightforward way to keep their smartphones charged. For faster charging or powering larger devices, you may want to consider using a higher wattage solar panel or combining it with a power bank. Keep in mind that the efficiency of solar charging is influenced by the amount of sunlight available. It's important to consider any potential limitations that may arise from cloudy weather or shade.